sightline on our actual lock styles, and then you'll be seeing our bottom rail with all the hardware for the closer. That will be 1 3/4. We're going to be having the option for linear drain to the interior, which will drain into our standard Archiduct system, same as the rest of our hinge doors or our 4400T. On Monday, this upcoming Monday, we're going to be certifying this door for an R20, a minimum of R20. We're hoping to get more. And our current U factor is a 0.3 for an I-89 Argon. To go over some hardware, so first we have our Rixson hardware. So here you'll see our actual Rixson closer. It's the Rixson H28, and then we have stainless steel plates that are covering it. So once it's all fully installed, you'll see finished floor besides the stainless steel plates that are covering the closer. Hip adjustment. So now we're going to go over a couple of the hardware options for the HP. We'll start off with the actual closer option. So we have the option to put in the Rixson H28 closer. Once everything's installed under the flooring, you'll see a stainless steel plate here. So you'll have finished floor all around and a nice stainless steel plate. This plate can be removed after installation to get in there and adjust your closer speeds as needed. We also have the option to have the pivot only. It's Rixson pivot only, and that so we don't have the closer, but it will allow it for automation. You always add that, let your customers know if they want to do automated to order the pivot only. So next we'll talk about the V-Locks, which is the electronic lock installed on our Edge P. It's as an option. You don't have to have electronic lock, but it is the recommended lock for this door. So depending on the size chosen for your door configuration, they'll be automatically added in. So for this test chamber door, we have 2 V-Locks because it's over 96 inches. They are set 24 inches from the top, 24 inches from the bottom. The way the V-Locks work is they are wired directly into your automation or your smart home or your outlet, anything that you can send wire to this V-Lock and activate. It'll recognize once the door is closed. There is a magnet inside the strike on the actual lead style. When the door is closed, it's going to pick it up and it's going to automatically lock it. This will be my sample magnet for right now. So when the door is coming in close, goes right over it, activates the lock. And that holds into position. And when you're ready to unlock the door, you'll turn off the power or tell your smartphone to open the door, unlocks the lock, and you can open the door up. Another locking option on the Edge P is the actual Archetype blade. It's the same blade that you'll see on the Edge S. It is installed always under the V-Lock, so if you have a V-Lock, one V-Lock center, it'll be installed at 40 inches. If you have 2 V-Locks that are 24 inches from top to bottom, it'll be at 12 inches from bottom to panel. So standard Archetype blade, and then you'll have your Archetype blade case installed into your finish floor. Next, we have a couple different options for handles, interior, exterior. So you have your standard fin interior handle. It's a fin pole, same as the Edge S. You can install this if you have a fin style. And then we also have a Z handle for an exterior. They come in clear or black. So you can choose that different option, same as the fin. It'll match your blade hardware, clear or black. So now we're on the interior of the Edge P door in the test chamber. So wanted to show the actual strike on the side of the lead style. So you only see this in the open position, but our strikes are flush. This is the standard V-Lock strike, and this was the magnet I was talking about. So when the door automatically closes, the V-Locks activate, and it really holds that style and it pulls it in to set the seals properly. There are 2 more things I wanted to mention before the end of the video. One is on the Rixson, we need a plate here so the panel can swing into the actual Rixson closer. It is only a 1/2 inch plate, unlike the 4400T, which had a large plate to get access to that closer. So only a 1/2 inch stainless steel plate. It'll be black or clear. Another thing that we added in on this door is the actual mohair. We're going to be trying a mohair, or we're testing with a mohair that has no fin, so you don't get that dragging noise with the fin on this door.